In today's video, I brought you a site or an app where you can make money with your voice. Did you know that you can make a lot of money using your voice? In fact, thousands of people have been making a lot of money using this site. And if you have a unique and wonderful voice, you can actually make money with this site. Now in this video, I'm about to show you how you can be able to make money using this app or site. Now, firstly, all you need to do is head on to your Chrome browser. You type voices.com. Once you type voices.com, it will bring you to this interface. Now the next thing you need to do is for you to either you're finding a talent, you register as someone who is looking for people's voice to buy, or someone that will do a voiceover for you or something. Then you have to sign in as register as find talent. But if you are looking for you to sell your voice or make money with your voice, then you sign it with find work. Now, of course, you are going to click on find work. Now, they are going to ask you join the world's largest marketplace for voice acting jobs. Now, what you need to do is you come here and click get started. Now, what you need to do is enter your full name, your work email. I want to, hire for a project, or you are finding work as a talent. Then you have to click on finding work as a talent. You click on by checking this box, that's you agree. You click on this. After you have finished filling all this, what you need to do is for you to come here and click on sign up now. Now, I already have an account here. So what I will do now is for me to log in because I have an account already. So you can see my account. So what I need to do is for me to log in. So as you can see, they will call your name, welcome back, and then they will mention your name. You see review jobs, 175 public invites. You see, there are a lot of jobs here. Okay, so because I have not been active here, so you can see my profile checklist, one demo needed. So if you want to people to locate you through your profile, you have to add a demo, like you have to add a demo to appear here, like your voice demo, like what people will come and play, and then they will see the kind of voice you have. You can make a voiceover of advertisement, voiceover baby, voiceover anyone that you can do. You see animation, there are a lot of voiceovers there that you can add to your profile. So when people come here, they will see you. So now they say build your career, voiceover blog, and all that and all that. So when you come to this very app, look at the app here. I have the app already on my phone. See the app here, voices.com. This is the app. So let me click on it and you see the jobs that are needed, jobs that have been put out there. Can you see? These are jobs that are out here. Look at video presentation, voiceover. This is $250. You can see it right here. $250 right here. You can see. Now this one again, need a female narrator for dinosaur book for kids. 100 to $249 right here. Can you see? Response deadline September 5th, okay, 2025. So you can see this one, 60-second art spot, 100 to $249. You see, response deadline 4th September. Can you see there are a lot of jobs here that you can use your voice to make money on? There are a lot of jobs. Look at this one, product launch video for C's startup. So this one, the deadline is start 31st, I think tomorrow. So this one, the price, this one is healthcare sport English voiceover. Look at $500. Deadline August 31st. So there are a lot of jobs here that you can actually make money on. Look at English language voice needed to speak during interview. Deadline, response deadline is 5th of September. So these are different jobs in this very app. There are a lot of people, just do your voiceover and then you send to them. After the deal has been done, they will pay you in this app. The way this app works is that, like, if this job is $750, they're going to reduct some percentage for them and then give you the rest. So when you're applying for the job, like if this job is $1,500 now, for example this one right here, so I think they are going to take some percentage. The person that hired you might pay you $1,000. I think they are going to take uh $200 and then pay you $800, something like that. So that's how this app works. They're taking some percentages from your payments. So that is it. So guys, if you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family. I bring updates, I talk about cryptocurrency, forex trading, how to make money online, and airdrop updates. So kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this you get notified. Okay, so make sure you find yourself a good job using this app voiceover. If you don't know how to make a voiceover, make a research on this video, on how to make voiceover, and then look for a job, perfect job, paying jobs. So see you in my next video. Bye.